Hi, I'm Councilmember Tony Khambata, and this is your May Council update. Spring finally decided to arrive, so I thought it would be fun to head out to our city's newest park, Strawberry Fields Park, to talk about some of Cottage Grove's amazing recreational amenities. This park is brand new as of last year and has some really unique strawberry-themed features and a great playground. Speaking of great, our city has more than 30 amazing parks. The City Council prides itself on making sure our parks are well maintained and that equipment is updated and replaced whenever possible. Take Hamlet Park, for example, or Oakwood Park. Both have had recent improvements, including a baseball field expansion, building construction, field renovations, and 3 new scoreboards at Hamlet Park, and a new playground, fully reconstructed parking lot, and new shelter with restrooms at Oakwood Park. If you're a recreation lover like I am, I also want to remind you to take our Reimagining Recreation Survey. We want your suggestions and input as we create a long-term vision and plan for your park and recreation options in Cottage Grove. Think big. Do we need a community garden? Maybe more splash pads. We want to hear your ideas. Go to our website to take our survey to be entered into a drawing for a $50 Hy-Vee gift card. For the May Council Update, I'm Tony Khambata.